2007. And our main mission was to install the Node 2 or Harmony to the International Space Station and then relocate a very large solar array truss that we call P6 from the very top of the station out to the very port wing. And in the course of that activation of the P6 solar array truss, one of the solar array blankets, as it was being deployed, caught and was ripped apart during the deploy sequence. We knew that there were two small areas of damage, one about 3 feet in length, another about 1 foot in length, and we knew that probably the guide wire and the hinge wires in the solar array blanket were involved, but how they were involved, what we'd actually see at the worksite was a huge unknown. And I thought, what should I do now? The solution that brilliant engineers on the ground came up with was to develop something that we called cufflinks. They were up to 5 feet in length. There were 12 gauge wire wrapped in tape and then 2 little toggles on the end of them, kind of like a cufflink. And the idea was to put these cufflinks in holes that were already existing in the solar array blanket, and one on either side of the damage. And that would take the load path as the solar array was extended out to its full reach. We didn't know that if they would fit, if they were the right length. We had really good engineering on the ground, but things change a little bit on orbit. These arrays had been up there for almost 7 years by this point, so it was pretty sporty.